Well, check this out. We're back here feeding the seagulls, and they are so good at. Look at this. Oh, watch out for the. Come here. I'm sorry. The car. They like ran away. And they're just like, oops, sorry. They're like scavengers. They're not scavengers. They're just good pets, right? They're just good. They love it. You gotta give them some corn puffs or something like cereal. Yeah, all over the place. Look at that. They're so fast they get everything. It's like, it's raining food. It's raining food. Come on, give me some more. Give me some more. All right, here you go. Here you go. You know what? You get all over the place and start pooping on the ground. Let's see if we can get a little lower to their level, huh? Where the problem is. Bye. Where are you going? Back. Get the crumbs. They're angry now. I had it. There you go. It's mine. It's all mine. The seagulls. Seagulls. They're opportunists. Scavengers. Call them what you want, but they really could be really nice pets too, right? I'm just getting you some corn. Over there. Look at that. Look at that. Close up the bird. Come here. Come here. Oh. That's great, huh? That's loads of fun. Entertainment daily. Alright, let's check this out video. Isn't it video now? Okay. And they are wild. Alright, let's go. They can't believe it. Like, where's all this stuff coming from? I throw it to them and then they like run away. Like, I'm throwing it now. Here you go. Isn't that wonderful? Little snack? Little snack for you? Let's go over here. Alright, let's walk over this way. Uh-oh. So now they're gonna go back. Last tag there. Whoa, check this out. Gulls. A Day of the Gulls. Remember the movie The Birds? Watch the movie The Birds. It's an Alfred Hitchcock movie. That's a pretty amazing movie. The Birds. So I'm calling this video The Birds.